Hey loves, I am back to do a budget system that I do, and that is the cash envelope slash paperclip method. I know for some of you, you're probably like, what the hell is all of that? A cash envelope is basically when you give yourself a budget in each section of your life. So your lifestyle is now broken up into cash envelopes to help you spend better, know where your dollar is going, and if you have extra money hiding somewhere that you didn't know because you were overspending. So I'm going to show you guys in my planner. This is my budget section, and if you are looking at this lovely envelope here, this is the Heidi Swapp envelope, and this is my cash envelope. I found this at HobbyLobby for $2.99. I don't know if it's a deal or not, but it's absolutely been working really well for me. If you do take this cash envelope in your planner, all you have to do is clip down your money like that, and your money is secure. Usually that's how I leave it anyway, but I had it off because I'm about to go into it. So with my cash envelope section, I tend to divvy it up on the three main areas that I spend my money on. I don't have kids. I do have a pet. It's very rare when I buy the pet food. It's very rare when I buy my cat litter, just because I overstock in litter and I overstock in food. So it takes a long time before I go and purchase all of that stuff. But as for me, I normally spend my money in home stuff, gas, and in myself. If I know those are the three areas, those are the three areas that I'm gonna have cash for and cash envelopes for. So I've been the number one tip for this rule is be realistic with yourself. Be realistic in what you're gonna spend. If you know you like to go out a lot, you need to be real honest with yourself and set a realistic goal that you can live with and not be too harsh on yourself. I know a lot of people are like, you know, people who normally spend, let's say, $400 going out, will sit there and say, I'll give myself $50. That is not realistic, okay? Come to a happy medium. Maybe it's $200 a month, or $200 a week, or $200 every other week. Whatever that looks like and how you get paid, find a happy medium of what you really honestly need. Some people are very social, so that's why that takes a dip in their money. But you have to really technically ask yourself, is this a necessity? Is this a must-have, or is this just a want? And usually needs and wants are two different things. So you really need to sit down and be 100% real with yourself. So for me, my bad habit is at work, I tend to eat out with friends. And I now have been, I kind of stopped myself in doing that because I will sit there and be like, oh no, I already ate. Like, you know, or oh, I'm not hungry. Because I want to stop being the, yes, let's go out, or yes, let's go eat, or yes, let's go do lunch. Like, my wallet is not going to be good if I keep doing that. So yeah, be 100% honest and real with yourself and what you're spending. Cool thing about cash envelopes are it helps you with paying bills. It helps you not be so scattered with your money and not knowing where your money is going to or where. I just love the whole cash envelope system. It's amazing. So now I'm gonna go into touching my cash envelope because I know you guys are like, is she gonna ever pick that up? So with my cash envelope, it looks like this. And I'm gonna show you the wallet that I am using. This is the wallet that I use. This is from Target. It is a double wallet, a double zip wallet, meaning the first pouch has all my cards and the second pouch will have all of my cash envelopes in. So this is why I love this system, and I love that it keeps it separate. So I'm gonna go ahead and move what my cash envelopes are into here. And that's where the paperclip system works out. So starting with home, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Every time I put my money in my cash envelope, it has a tag on there and it has a money clip on there, and it keeps everything nice and neat, and I know where everything goes. So it's an easy remove. So for my home, I normally don't go in there a lot, so I put it on the tightest pocket that's in there, and that's this side. The next envelope that I have is gas, and I will put that in the other opposite pocket because I don't need gas usually the moment I pull gas. And then the last one is my allowance for myself, which I use and label as entertainment, or you can label it as miscellaneous. And I will put that in the smack dab middle because that's where I usually grab the most at. And yeah, the cool thing is you might overreach a little bit on the gas in the home. If you do, the cool thing is you can use some of that from those areas. That's up to you if you want to, but I will tell you, if you touch gas and you use it for something personal and then you end up needing gas, now you're going to be in a negative red if you go back into your account and pull money out. So just be aware of that, and that you will have to pay for that the next time you get paid, to pay that negative and make it into a positive again. So keep in mind that, because I've done that when I failed last week. I was like, what the hell was I thinking? So I've seen people do cash envelopes for a section for hair, massages, kids football leagues, whatever that looks like. I don't know, PTA meetings. I've seen it all. So take a look at a lot of people's videos, tailor it to your lifestyle, to what you do and what you spend on, and this will be a great system for you guys to start off with. And all I do is just take it to go and it's done. The cool thing about that is, if I don't use all of my home money, that home money will get deposited in the bank from the next check that I get, because if I already have my home and I haven't touched it, the next time I get paid and it's all still there, I will just take that money that I normally will pull out and leave it in my savings account. So yeah, that's the cool thing about that. And that's why I say the cash envelope is pretty great, especially because you're seeing your cash, you're knowing where it goes, and when it dwindles, you get kind of scared. No! So pick and choose your needs and your wants really well. And that is it, guys, and I'll talk to you loves later. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to know more about cash envelope, I highly suggest that you guys go on YouTube and look up everyone's system and tailor your system to your lifestyle. And I'll talk to you loves later. Bye, guys.